How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got 2 tickets. We spent a total of $40. Got two $20 215 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. As always, guys, on these tickets here, we got overall odds of 1 in 3.09, and the prizes there on screen range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. That's what we're looking for, but we will take anything in between there. Now we have tickets number 24 and 25 this time. We're going to get started on ticket number 24. We are looking for that bag cash, I guess a cash bag symbol to win 100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times that prize. Let's go ahead and scratch off our winning numbers on ticket 24 here and see if we can get ourselves a win. We got 32, 6, 1, 45, 22, 12, 37, 2, 9, 10, 23, 7. Looking all low there. 15, 5, 17, 27, 33, 43, 26, 36, 8, 39, 35, 31, 19, 48, 29, 24, 4, 11, 34, 38. Alright guys, that was ticket number 24. It appears to be a loser. Set that up to the side. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. We're moving on to ticket number 25 here. Yeah, 46, 40, 48, 13, 45, 31, 41. Alright guys, everything in the 40s except for 13 and 31. 16, 15, 6, 12, 47. 33, 30, 24, 42, no, 10, 29, 49, 28, 9, 18. Lucky 44, of course we do not have it. 11, 7, 1, 35, last row guys, 25, 36, 5, 23, and clutch corner here, 2. Alright guys, ticket number 25 appears to be a loser as well. As always guys, we tried. If you guys would, consider hitting that subscribe button. We put out videos daily. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys on the next one. Have a good night.